we got a 5-hour drive now down to JFK, and then we don't fly till like 11:05 tonight. So, and it is now 8:15 in the morning. But yeah, so hopefully we can have a little walk around New York and then fly home. I don't know why my travel days always have to be so eventful. Drove down this morning from Lake Placid, got to JFK about 2 o'clock, so we weren't supposed to fly until 11:05, so we had to sit around, literally just lingering around JFK till I think it was 7 o'clock till we could check in. So we're supposed to fly with Virgin, all our paperwork says Virgin, so we go up to the Virgin line now and they say that we are not flying with them, we're flying with Delta. So basically we got sold it by Virgin, but it's being run by Delta. So we joined the Delta line, stood in the line for an hour, get to the desk and gave passports and everything. They say that they can't find any information for us for the flight. I had to come out the line, go to the Virgin desk and gave them all the paperwork, and when we give all the paperwork, apparently our flight got cancelled, and then the booking agency who we booked through was supposed to send us an email to say that the flight's been cancelled and to rearrange it, but never received that. So luckily they were able to get us on the Delta flight that was leaving at 11 o'clock. Otherwise we weren't going to fly today. I think the next flight was tomorrow at some point, so luckily we managed to get on that. And we had to then go back and check in over at Delta. Luckily we didn't have to join the queue. They just made us go back to the front of the queue, and then we had, I think we had 6 bags and 2 runner boxes to check in, which was of course cost us an absolute fortune as well, and managed to get all the bags on the flight for free. So yeah, so that worked out alright for us. It also cost me a t-shirt as well, so but hey, what's the price of a t-shirt when you get all 8 bags onto the flight for free? So
Hi everybody. Say hi.
as you can see, it's Christmas tomorrow, so I've had to wear the matching compulsory pyjamas. I've had to wear the compulsory pyjamas and just take some pictures and stuff. So yeah, so Christmas tomorrow. Hopefully I'll have a good day with the family and that, and then back to trying to sort out all the admin to go to Eagle. So have a good Christmas, everyone. If I don't see you or text you, or if you don't hear from me, Merry Christmas. So the journey begins again. So just picking up the van, so we can drive down to Bath to pick up the 4-man sled tomorrow, and then we head off to Europe. Thanks to the people at 3-Way Self Drive for getting us a van. It's extremely difficult to find a van this size this time of year as well, due to everybody using them for a delivery vehicle. So luckily they had one left and we managed to get it, and then they gave us a good deal as well. So big shout out to 3-Way Self Drive. So today we've driven down to Bath University, home of the GB bobsleigh, to come and pick up a 4-man sled. So they've been kind enough to lend us one of their sleds to do the last couple of races in Europe. So it's massively helped us out a lot, considering we had to ship our sled off to obviously China. So yeah, so we've come down to Bath today to pick up the sled. It's a 3-hour drive from us, so me and Ash have driven down today to pick up a sled. So just about to load the sled, and then we're going to hit the road and head back home, and then we set off to Austria tomorrow. So. Alright, that sled all loaded and ready to go, so now a 3-hour drive home. Oh, thank God for that, we made it through. Yeah, so we'll get into the tunnel now, get across, and then just drive and drive and drive until we get to Austria. Right, we finally made it to Austria last night about 11 o'clock, so it was a long old slug of a day. But yeah, finally made it, so yeah, we're here, and we just picked up the 2-man sled that we're going to be using. Yeah, looks pretty nice, so looking forward to driving it. It's a Walnut, never driven one of them before, so be interesting to see how it drives. So we got COVID testing later on today. So we're gonna go try and set up this new sled now and start getting prepped ready for the week. But yeah, as you can see, we're in beautiful Austria. Yeah. Alright, sled work complete. Now we've got COVID testing now, so gonna head down the mountain and get COVID tested.